All right, so market pattern, how do we identify it? And then usually market pattern, we're using that on the weekly, daily, and 4 hour time frame. We do have a lot of difference of market pattern. We have this head and shoulder, double top, triple top, rising wedge, inverse head and shoulder, double top, whatever you call it. So we just want to identify that, and we could use that on our analysis, right? So this is head and shoulder. Um, once this one's lead us here in our zone, because this is your lower high and then lower low. We are breaking bearish trend. Then all you need to wait is rejection here. Once you have that confluence, then we could participate and execute the market. Inverted head and shoulder, very good example as well if for bullish market. So this is your higher low. Now this is your higher high. All you need to wait is the market came back to our price to continue to go up. So basically, if you're gonna use the candlestick pattern, then we could participate the market or execute the market to continue to go up, right? Very good example too as well. If you have a higher high and higher low, bullish trend. This is your higher high, higher low, higher high. You could put your key zone here as long as it's valid, like 1 to 2 touches or 3 touches. Then once the price came here, when you have that confluence, you have your rejection, everything like that. You have your EMA as well. Then you have your EMA here, touching EMA. Then we could add that as a confluence. Um, I don't use much round psych level right now because the simple, the better. If it's bearish trend as well, if you have a lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, then use that structure point as the zone. If the market came back to our zone here, look for anything types of rejection, and of course your EMA as well as a confluence. Then we could execute the trade, something like that. I like to participate on the consolidation as well, because consolidation sometimes give us a good setup. Let's say if you have on the weekly, right, ranging, you have your support and resistance here, and then if the market have a rejection and then all the confluence like weekly, daily, and 4 hours bullish, then we could participate um, to execute the trade to continue to go up, and then target price will be around here. Same thing as well if the price came back here and then anything like a rejection, then we could participate to execute the trade to going down. But again, we're gonna apply this confluence around here. If it's valid, then we could execute the price. So yeah, basically, yeah, there's a lot of different types of the chart pattern. Basically self-explanatory. As long as your confluence, you have two time frame in sync, then you could really really involve the market price. So later on, we're gonna talk about how to um, trade, how to execute the trade using this kind of pattern.